Now I'll come to the autonomous section of our presentation. I'm here to explain you about Robo Relay. There are two autonomous events in Robotix 2008, Image and Robo Relay. The Robo Relay. The task of the Robo Relay is to build two fully autonomous robots to traverse an irregular track with a button. There will be two autonomous robots. They will be interacting with each other at a particular point. In this interaction, there will be a button that will be passed from the first robot to the second robot. The second robot will the passing of the button will be the starting signal for the second robot to traverse the rest of the part of the arena, and the second robot has to drop this button at the end of arena to complete the full task. Robot specifications. The initial size of the robot should be restricted within 20 cross 20 cross 25 centimeter. The dimensions of the bot should satisfy each of the length, breadth and height criterions individually. The length, breadth and height criterions are dependent on the initial orientation of the robot. The direction in which the robot will start will be considered, the direction parallel to which the robot will start will be considered as its length, perpendicular to it will be considered as breadth, and the third dimension will be the height. The robot can exceed these dimensions once the event commences. Now the arena specifications. The arena will be divided into two phases. The first phase will be for the first robot. The second phase will be the second for the second robot. The length of the tracks will be varying from 3 meters to 6 meters. The width of each track will be 2 centimeter with a tolerance of 10%. The tracks will be made of the white chart paper on a black background. The background will be of plywood painted with blackboard paint. There will be a horizontal white line extending 15 centimeter to the either side of the track. This will mark as the end of the first part of the robot, at which it will have to sense this white line, stop there and pass the button to the second bot. This second bot will be placed between flag 2 and flag 3, and then the second bot has to traverse the complete arena. There are 4 flags on the arena. These are just for manual observation. They are not to be detected by the robot. The first flag will be just 10 centimeter away from the initial starting point. This will mark as the starting point for the first robot. Flag 2 and flag 3 mark as the point at which the bot 2 has to be placed. In no case that bot 1 can cross flag 2. If it crosses, there will be a penalty of 100 points. Now the flag 4 is for the bot 2 to cross it and then drop the button after the flag 4. There will be a white light source at the distance of 30 centimeter. This white light source can be on the either side of the track. This will mark as a starting signal. This will mark as the starting signal for the first robot. The cylindrical wooden button will be of length 10 centimeter and radius 2 centimeter. The arena will be having a standard classroom illumination. Any extra illumination has to be arranged by the participants themselves. The arena base will be made of the plywood painted black and blackboard paint. The tracks will be made up of standard white chart paper. Now we will come to the event rules. For further specifications, please visit www.robotix.in, and any query regarding the specifications, please mail us to contact@robotix.in. Event rules. The participating team is required to make 2 autonomous bots which can interact with each other. Both the bots have to be placed on the arena before the time starts. The first bot at the starting point before the first flag, and the second bot between flag 2 and flag 3. The wooden button will be placed with the first bot at the start. The first bot starts traversing the arena when the white light switch is on. The first bot then follows the track till the horizontal white line and stops before flag 2. The second bot will be placed between flag 2 and flag 3. In any case, the first bot cannot crosses flag 2. If it crosses, there will be a penalty of 100 points. After getting the starting signal from the passing of the button from the first bot, The second bot has to traverse the whole of the arena and drop the button after flag 4. The passing of the flag 2 will call the penalty of 100 points. In any case, the bot 1 cannot touch bot 2, so the touch sensors cannot be used for the interaction. Maximum of 7 minutes will be given to each team for to complete an arena. Each robot will be given a run on the preliminary round arena. In case the robot completely lose the trail of the track, it encounters some internal problem. The team has an option of restarting their robot. But in later rounds, this option is it depends on the both the teams. There will be maximum of 2 restarts allowed for the preliminary round. For one-on-one rounds, the restart will be allowed only if both the teams lose trail, or if the other participant has no objection for the restart. No points will be awarded for dropping the baton if it is dropped before the last flag. No touch sensors are allowed for the communication between the first and the second bot. Now the scoring rules. The scores will be awarded for completing each individual task assigned to each robot. 50 marks will be awarded for traversing the first part of the arena by bot 1. 100 points will be awarded for passing of the for satisfactorily passing of the baton. 50 points will be awarded for the traversing second part of the arena by bot 2. 100 points will be awarded for dropping the baton by bot 2 after crossing the last flag. This timeout points 420 minus time taken in seconds will be awarded in only case when other tasks were completed, and the total score will be the sum of all these points. Now we'll see some of the solutions of this event. Now the important point to be noted in this arena will be this horizontal line, the flag 2 and flag 3 will be on a single straight line. So there won't be any case of non-detecting the horizontal white line. The possible solution for this event can be, it will be a simple line following algorithm which is explained in the control systems and sensors part of our presentation. While following the track, if all the sensors of it detects this this white line, it means there is the bot 1 has to end its journey and pass the baton to the bot which is standing between flag 2 and flag 3. Now there can be a basket on the bot 2 on which the baton will be taken by the bot 2. As soon as it gets the baton, the bot 2 can start its journey following the complete track, and then as soon as all the sensors of the bot detects the end of the track, the bot can drop the baton after flag 4. These flags are just the marks on the arena. They are not to be detected by any of the robot. And similarly, the bot 1 can start by this white light source. The sensors used for to detect this light can be LDR or any light sensors. By this I end my lecture. Now we'll go for the image event.